What's it like to ride in the most secure car on the planet? President Trump's Cadillac, famously called the Beast, is far more than a luxury limo. Packed with high-tech security and built like a fortress, this car redefines safety on the road. Let's dive deeper. Today, we're peeling back the layers of the Beast, a custom Cadillac that's virtually a tank on wheels, blending military-grade defense systems with unparalleled luxury. Why does this limousine weigh nearly 15,000 pounds? And what secrets lie behind those inch-thick windows? First, let's start with what meets the eye, or maybe what hides behind it. To most, the Beast looks like a massive luxury Cadillac limousine, but beneath that classic design lies an engineering marvel. We're talking about a vehicle specially designed to protect the leader of the United States from everything from bullets to chemical attacks. It's custom built by Cadillac in collaboration with the Secret Service, with each detail meticulously crafted to withstand even the most of extreme threats. How? Underneath the sleek black paint and luxury exterior, the Beast is armored to the hilt. The frame and body of the car are reinforced with heavy layers of steel, aluminium, titanium, and even ceramic plating, each chosen for its strength and durability. Imagine a car that's as tough as a military tank, but with the elegance of a high-end Cadillac. This armor is designed to absorb and deflect bullets and even withstand explosions, creating an almost impenetrable barrier around the president. The doors alone are 8 inches thick, comparable to the protective cockpit doors of a Boeing 747. They're so heavy that only a trained agent can open them from the inside, adding yet another level of security. The windows are equally impressive. Constructed with multi-layered glass and polycarbonate materials, these windows are bulletproof and designed to resist even armor-piercing rounds. Think about it. While most cars focus on making windows thinner for energy efficiency, the Beast goes in the opposite direction, reinforcing each pane for maximum protection. So if you're wondering whether this car can take a hit, the answer is yes, and then some. But it doesn't stop there. The Beast is built to handle chemical and biological threats too. In fact, the car's interior can be completely sealed off from the outside world, creating an airtight, secure environment for the president. There's even an independent oxygen supply on board. This feature is crucial in case of chemical or biological attacks, ensuring that no harmful gases or toxins can enter the car. Just imagine the engineering challenge behind fitting a vehicle with a self-contained life support system, and all within the sleek form of a Cadillac. Now, all of this heavy armor and technology doesn't come without a cost, both in terms of money and weight. The Beast costs around $1.5 million per vehicle, with several identical versions created for the purpose of presidential security. And here's an interesting point. The weight of this limo is nearly 15,000 pounds. That's more than twice the weight of an average SUV. But how does it still move swiftly when needed? The answer lies in some incredibly powerful machinery under the hood. To manage this weight and keep the car as nimble as possible, the Beast is powered by a robust diesel engine, capable of moving all that mass with ease. Diesel was chosen for its fuel efficiency and for how well it handles heavy loads. While exact specs are classified, it's safe to say that the engine in the Beast would rival that of a commercial truck, giving it enough torque to navigate quick getaways or escape high-speed threats. Now, let's talk about the wheels and tires, which are just as fortified as the rest of the car. Each tire is lined with Kevlar, the same material used in bulletproof vests. But that's not all. The Beast has run-flat tires, meaning it can keep driving even after the tires have been punctured or shot at. If, for some reason, all the tires are damaged beyond repair, the Beast can even roll on its steel rims, ensuring it remains mobile no matter what. Imagine a car that can literally drive over nails, glass, or spikes and keep going as if nothing happened. The Beast's defense features go beyond just armor and sturdy wheels. Hidden within the vehicle are countermeasures straight out of a James Bond movie. The car has tear gas dispensers for crowd control, a smokescreen system to obscure it from attackers, and night vision cameras that allow the driver to see in complete darkness. Think about this. The car can drive, deploy defenses, and evade threats, all while keeping the president safe and unseen. Of course, all of this gear and tech is useless without someone who can handle it. That's why the Beast is driven by a specially trained Secret Service agent, skilled in high-stakes, high-speed driving. These agents undergo intensive training to handle this vehicle, learning how to perform rapid U-turns, evasive maneuvers, and emergency responses. In the hands of an expert, the Beast can perform maneuvers that would be impossible for a regular car, despite its weight and size. And then there's the question of communication. In our digital age, staying connected is vital, and the Beast serves as a mobile command center for the president. Inside, there are encrypted satellite phones that allow the president to communicate securely with the White House or other government facilities. So even if they're on the road, they're still fully connected, able to make critical decisions on the go. It's not just a car, it's a mobile version of the Oval Office with all the secure communications capabilities you'd expect. Let's take a closer look at the interior, where luxury meets utility. The president's seat is made for both comfort and security, with all the high-end touches you'd expect in a luxury car. Plush leather seating, wooden accents, and more. But in the back of this limo, there is also a hidden blood supply that matches the president's blood type. In case of an emergency, this blood supply could be vital for immediate medical attention, underscoring just how prepared the Beast is for any situation. In the case of international travel, the Beast doesn't just show up at the destination. Each time the president travels abroad, this Cadillac and its duplicates are transported by military cargo planes, arriving ahead of the president's flight. A lot of coordination goes into ensuring that the president's motorcade is ready and secure, regardless of where they are. And yes, the vehicle has a twin, or several twins, to add an element of deception. With multiple limousines that look identical, it becomes harder for potential attackers to determine where exactly the president is seated. This car is like no other. If you found this deep dive into the Beast fascinating, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content about cutting-edge tech and the secrets behind presidential security.